This is Dad doing rehab.
Here we go.
Could be. I think it's just kind of your body just kind of, get a little bit selective. Alright, let's bring that left leg back into the center. Good.
Well, kind of, but it's not totally that.
You want another minute to rest, Larry?
Good.
Okay. So now what we'll do, lean forward again.
Forward up.
I'm going to take your seatbelt off just for a minute. And back just a bit.
What? Feet on the back. Same thing over here. Get your hot toes in.
So now what I want you to do, we're going to stand all the way up, but we're going to do 3 rocks. 1, 2, and on 3. Try to lift yourself up off the cushion, even if it's just a tiny bit. Okay? So on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2,
Show what I can do, but now I've got me in
So
there.
let's try that a few more times. I really want you to think about putting weight on your legs and try to do it. Okay? Let's try that again. Ready? 1,
What's he saying? You must be angry?
and good. That was better.
Yes, it was Adrian.
Adrian, do it.
He said he heard you singing.
Oh, I did. I was. That was
You don't
me.
need to break it anymore.
That was me,
So,
King.
1,
Locked in.
Adrian, you can have a back really far forward.
Yes, he does. No, not no.
2.
Why we have
Now
bed?
push
You don't
up.
get nothing.
Good legs.
You don't get
Try it
nothing.
again.
Yeah. Put it back out.
1, 2.
It's King.
I didn't know that. Good.
Those only for people.
Mark, you're gonna hold your crime. Give me a call. Let me know what he has.
You had me think all day going there like this on.
And I'll work on trying to
Not
help
trying
him
to
out.
organize.